What is up, everybody? Rick here, coming at you. Guess what? It's August. That means we got to do top five for July 2025. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, liking the video. I will do my best. Oh my goodness! See that trick? See that trick I just did? Um, I will do my best to link everything down below in this video. There are two that are currently unavailable, but hey, I'll try. I'll do my best here. Let's get into it. This is in no particular order, but these are just top five that I carried the most last month. So, boom, get into it. We got the Knafs Lander 2. Awesome knife. Really love the micarta on this one. Uh, Grippy. It's grippy. Very material feeling. Sometimes you get a micarta that's very slick. Not the case here. I really like this. Sandwich construction. Of course, I got the Lynch Northwest clip on it. This is the sand polished one to make it match the, what do they call it? The moon dust blade. Like it. S35EN blade. Ben Peterson design, of course. Kaiser clutch lock. It's a great knife. It really is. I like the clutch lock because it's an adjustable crossbar lock. I like to have a lot of tension on mine, so mine's not all loosey-goosey. Great snap to it, great sound, great feel. Jimping. I do like this knife. This is a simple knife that will stay in my collection. We'll do that there. Here, we'll leave that there. What do we do next? What do we do next? We're gonna go here. We're gonna go here. This is the Spyderco Para 3. This is lightweight in Magna Cut. As I failed the lock. There we go. Come on, focus. Can you see that Magna Cut? There we go. Magna Cut. This has got the Barclay CNC scales on it. I believe they called it the Corinthian pattern. Titanium scales, titanium backspacer. Got the Lynch Northwest clip on there as well. So this knife typically comes in the yellow FRN. I brought it everywhere. It's great the way it was. But the one thing I had, like, I didn't like, I tried to make some adjustments on it on the FRN, and like, the blade centering was always off. I could not get it back on, no matter what trick I tried, and I think it was mostly because the FRN versions have one phosphor bronze, phosphor bronze thingy, Shooby-Doo washer. There we go. That's the word I was trying to think. And then just kind of the material. I don't know. The material was soft. So anyway, Barclay CNC came out with their lightweight version. I got them, picked them up right away. Oh my goodness. It also allows you, they send you another washer. So now it's got two washers. This thing is amazing. Feels good. It's got a like extra little click in it now too, which I really like. Yeah, it's a badass knife. Fit and finish is great. Blade centering is now spot on. Oh, world of difference. Do I put them like nah, I'll close them. But yeah, I was carrying that quite a bit this month again. Love it. Now that I'm looking at the knives, it is a little Spyderco heavy this month, right? Because I got this guy as well. I have been carrying this quite a bit. This was a Spyderco Grail that I've been trying to pick up for the longest time. Finally did on Blade Bench. This is the Spyderco Vallotton. Of course, I got a Northwest clip on it as well. But this thing's a beast. This thing's a beast. This is a Spyderco Butch Vallotton collaboration. It's just an overbuilt, big old Spyderco. Great action. Foster Browns. Again, Foster Browns in that. Bearings on this. Ooh. I didn't mention I actually have skiffs in that. Skiffs in that. Washers. Yeah. S30. Yeah, S30V blade. Big, thick boy. It's cool. I like it. Not everyone's cup of tea. Definitely mine. There's something of course I jacked that up. I'm embarrassing myself. Made in Taiwan. Yeah. Super happy I was able to pick this up. Such a cool knife. Unique, big, stands out. Hollow ground on this. Yeah, kind of a cool hollow. We got a little full ground tip. Yeah, unique, awesome, cool, love it. Glad I picked that up. It's big too. Okay, one more Spyderco. Yep. I should save this for last, but whatever. We're here. This is the Spyderco Sage 6, right, with the compression lock. Possibly, this is the S30V version. Obviously, I didn't clean up the tip. I have been using this a lot. Honestly, this knife, I think in this configuration, it in my opinion, overtook the Para 3. It's not made in the U.S. Whoop-de-doo, big deal. But honestly, the way this fits in my hand is amazing. Not so much, I never carry it back there, but here, sure. But what I really love about this knife is I don't have to move my hand at all. When I'm using my thumb or using my reverse, I don't have to move my hand at all. Like back here, the foundation of my hold, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But I really love that. It's no, I'm jacking it up. But that was one thing I noticed right away is like with this guy, to use the lock, I gotta move the lock or my hand. I gotta move my hand for a liner lock, of course. Even this guy. Okay, this one I can. But I can't. I can reverse look this way. It's not as satisfying. Okay, I'm getting into the weeds here. But honestly, the size of this is amazing. The ergonomics, how it feels in the hand, the lockup is awesome. The jimping is awesome. I'm waiting for. It's got these. It's the layered carbon fiber on the G10, and I want some different scales for it. So I'm waiting for an aftermarket brand to do that, and I'm sure they will because it's very popular. And I think, yeah. Last but not least, the Tempest Knives Downdraft. It's back in the list again. It's one of my go-to work knives. I don't like to carry something super expensive in my pocket at work. And like over 150 bucks. I don't like to carry a knife that. I don't like to show off at work. But honestly, this for everything I do at work, cutting boxes, straps, things like this is awesome. It's light, looks badass with this is the blade bench dark mode uh, edition. Great action, bearings, fidgety. Got the flipper. I'm doing this kind of out of camera. Yeah, super cool. Warncliffe blade, 154 cm. Yeah, it's a good one. I like it. I'm glad I picked this one up. So the downdraft, I don't know if Casey's going to be doing any more of these, but that one is sold out. That was and obviously the Vallotton is a discontinued knife, but the other three should be in stock, and I will link those below, as well as Barclay CNC. I'll throw those down there as well. And Lynch Northwest, of course, because if you got a Spyderco, you might as well throw a Lynch Northwest clip on it. But hey, thank you for sticking with me. Hey, if you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a description down, or description, leave a description in the description about something that you like to describe. Or you could just leave a comment, tell me what your thoughts on the lineup here this month. I thought it's good. I love these ones. But that's my opinion. Tell me yours. Also, you can follow me at Rick's Knives on Instagram. It's party over there. Easiest way to contact me as well. I respond pretty fast there. Unlike this platform, takes me a little bit sometimes. I got lots of stuff going on. But hey, thank you to all my subscribers, new and old. Appreciate you all. I will see you in the next one. Have a good rest of your day.